Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Chroma Key or green screen in CapCut Online or CapCut Pro. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut.com and this I've already on editing page. I have two videos, so if you want to use the Chroma Key, you need to prepare at least two videos like this. The one that you're going to use in the main track and also the green screen that you're going to put as overlay. So after you add the two videos, you just drag the green screen in here on top to make it as overlay like this. And now let's get rid of the green screen using the Chroma Key. So just click on the green screen video and then go to the Smart Tools view on the right panel and find these remove background options and enable these. You can just pick a color to from the clip. So let's click on this color here and drag it to the green screen right here and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. And after you can see the background, the green screen background is removed. And let's see the preview first. You can see now the video will look like this. And that's it. So guys, that's all for me and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click on the next button. Bye!